Three, four, light, medium, hard. You need a drone programmer.
No, flyer.
Oh, it's a programmer. Flying real drones. It's fun. We always use that. Love making tenons appear. Just like that. Patchwork. See? Very neat. Not just special effects. It's only like 98% special effects. So there you have it. I am really, really happy with this. If you want to see detail in why I did what I did and how I did it, go over to my second channel, Wood by Wright 2. That is where I'm going to be moving all of the how-to and the talking videos. This channel will be for more of the easygoing feeling music in the background type videos. So if you want to see more of the detail, go over to Wood by Wright 2. I'm going to be moving a lot of the things over there, as well as the lives that we do every Tuesday. Those will soon be moved over to Wood by Wright 2. So I hope you like that. That way, for people who want more information, it'll all be in one place. For people who just want to sit down and watch the videos, that can stay here on Wood by Wright. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas, questions, thoughts, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear those. I do respond to as many comments as I possibly can, so I hope you like that. We only have a little bit more to go on this bed. Next, we're going to be working on the tops that go on top of the headboard and footboard, and then we have the stretchers that go in between it, and then after that, it's finished. So we're getting close to it. Now that we've gotten through this step with all of the mortices, tenons, and half laps, this is, yeah, I'm glad to have this part done. So yes, more to come, and we are looking forward to that. I hope you liked the video, and until next time, have a wonderful day. I've heard of this referred to as arts and crafts kumiko.